Right now I have Mercedes-Benz. Is a C-class model. This vehicle has a problem with misfire. It has M271 engine. Let me show you the misfire. Look at the exhaust.
No smoke coming out.
See, it has a misfire. There is rough idling. So I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. But misfire is normally caused by spark plugs, ignition coil, injectors, or fuel pump. So we are going to scan so that we identify exactly what causes the misfire. Also can be caused by oxygen sensor and mass airflow sensor. So let's read. So read fault code. We have a lot of fault code here, and it's about misfire. See, misfire number 4. See, misfire number 3, misfire number 1, misfire number 2. So this vehicle has a random misfire. So I had to remove all the ignition coils. See, we have deposit of oil. So we have the oil leakage. Let me remove number 3, coil. See, there is a lot of oil deposit. So this oil is the one causing a random misfire. So all of those plugs have oil deposit. See, that oil deposit can cause a misfire. So I'm going to do what we call the first aid. I'm going to clean all spark plugs with dry cleaner and all the ignition coils to make sure they are dry. Solving this problem permanently is to change the top cover gasket. So right now we don't have that gasket and it is late. We need to make sure everything works perfect. So I'm going to make sure all the spark plugs, all the ignition coils are free from moisture and oil deposit. I'm using the dry cleaner to make sure all those things are dry. That. After that, I'm going to clean all those combustion chambers. See, is to make sure all the spark plugs are dry, like that. Then file number 4, spark plugs, and to make sure all those spark plugs are tight. So I'm installing back the ignition coils. This is the number 1 ignition coil, number 4 ignition coil, the number 1 bolts, the number 4 bolts, the number 3 ignition coil, number 3 ignition coil, the number 3 bolts. I think we are done, so let me start. Right now the vehicle is running smooth. There's not any misfire. So according to this vehicle, the problem was oil deposit or the moistures. See, so everything's working perfect. So I'm going back, clear that fault code from the system. See, yes, okay. So right now we don't have any fault code on the system. Let me try to start the vehicle. See, let me read again, read the fault code. So right now we don't have. So right now I think everything's okay. and the vehicle is running perfect. See, active, no rough idling. Let me show you. See, there's no any misfire, so where everything's working perfect. So for the permanent solution, in the next video I'm going to show you how to change the top cover gasket. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.